Give 3 advice for student to make them successful in life. Unlock your potential, ignite your curiosity. Seek knowledge, not just grades. Education goes beyond textbooks, it's about learning to think. Turn setbacks into comebacks. Embrace failure, it's not your enemy but your greatest teacher. Remember, each mistake is a lesson. Stay disciplined, consistent. Success doesn't come overnight. It's a result of perseverance, of relentless effort made every single day. Believe in yourself. You are more capable than you think. Never let self-doubt cloud your ambitions. You have the power to shape your own destiny. Lastly, enjoy the journey. Success is a journey, not a destination. Cherish every step, every moment on this path. It's your unique story.